Welcome to our channel, Fearless Maths Class. Today's topic is surface area and volume of standard class 9. Okay, I already discussed all formulas of 3D figure in my previous class. I think so you already learned it. You already observed the formulas and practice in your home. That's why I give some example on the basis of these formulas. Okay, now I take an example. The floor of rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls of the red rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. Do you know the room is a cuboidal shape also? Okay, now I remember the all formulas of cuboid. The lateral surface area of cuboid. This is the figure of cuboid. I already discussed in my previous mensuration class. You already see here at the lateral surface area of cuboid B, 2 into L plus B into height, I already said, unit square, and the total surface area of cuboid B, 2 LB plus BH plus LH unit square, and the volume of cuboid also I discussed, L into B into H also, and I discussed about some Q. Okay, now I write a formula of cube and cuboid in this side. If you want, you write this here also. This is cuboid, and now I discuss Q. What is the formula? Lateral surface area of cube B, 4 square unit square, and the total surface area B, 6 square. It is also B unit square, and the volume B, A cube. Okay, unit cube also. Here also unit cube, where A is side of a cube. Okay, and ABH is the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. I just remember it and write here. If you want, you write again in your copy. Now I discuss this sum. The given is, perimeter is also given. The perimeter, the answer of this sum, perimeter of a floor. A perimeter of a floor is 2 into L plus B. This is 250 meter. This is the given data. And another thing is cost of the painting of the four walls. Four walls. What is the formula of four walls? Four walls means you just total area. You just from the total area you just leave floor and the ceiling also. This is the lateral surface area. Okay, four walls. The formula become the lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? Then area of four walls, that is also be the lateral surface area of cube. This is 2 into LB into H. This is you find is the height of the wall. Now this is also four walls as rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000. Now you find the lateral surface area. How is it possible to do this? Then 1 meter square painting is cost 10. Then 15,000 meter square, 15,000 rupees is cost for how many meter square? How many areas? Now find the area of four walls B is equal to 15,000, total cost 15,000 per meter square is 10. Then you cut here. Then the area of four walls become 1500 meter square. Then you put here 2 into L plus B into HB 1500. This is the according to the question. This is according to the question also. Okay. Now this is also be given here. Perimeter 250 into 8 is 1500, and the height become 1500 by 250 and 525 6 are 150 meter. Therefore, the answer become the height of all is 6 meter. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now I discuss another sum. Now you just go to the another part of the video. Just pause this and write all these things. This is very important for class 9 standard student mensuration. This is also surface area volume also. Please write it in your copy and you collect the all sums from the basis of this formula from any book. You do in your copy. Please do. You don't do. You don't give the any doubts also. I am very much worried about you. Why you don't do? Please do. Please do. Please do. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I will help you. I must help you. Please, you collect from any book in 9th standard. You do the all sums on the basis of these formulas. If you have doubts, please write in the comment section. I must help you. All these things up to you. Okay? Okay. Now I discuss the another sum. What is this? Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of 30 per meter cube. Okay. Now find the cost of digging the cuboidal pit is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of 30 per meter cube. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. Okay, pit, cuboidal pit means pathwa type. Pathwa থেকে তুমি find the cost of digging. পাতকুয়া খোঁড়ার যে কস্ট সেটা তোমাকে বার করতে হবে. That means you just find the volume of the cuboid. Okay. Now you find the volume of the cuboid. First, the answer of this question be volume of pit is 8 into 6 into 3 meter cube. This is a 6 3s are 18, 18 into 8, 18 into 8, 8 it's a 64 and 6 carry, it was a 8 plus, it was a 8 plus 6, 144 meter cube. Okay, now you just find the rate of cost. The cost of 1 meter cube digging is rupees 30. Then cost of 144 meter cube digging is rupees 30 into 144. This is 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry, 4 3s are 12 and 3, 4 1s are 4 and 1. This one also. The answer B is the what is the final cost? The cost be rupees 4320. Before you go into the next part of the video, please pause the video and write it. I go to the next maths. Now the another sum be our go down measures this 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates each measuring this one that can be stored in the go down. Our go down measures is here and the maximum, find the maximum number of wooden crates. The crate is measured by here and just to find how many maximum number of wooden crates in the go down. Okay, now you do the sum just like this. First, the volume of, find volume of go down, go down is 40 into 25 into 15 meter cube. You don't do the multiplication here. You just write here like this. And the volume of crates, each crate 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.25 meter cube. Now the number of the crates, the number of crates is, just you do the division. First you write this by this. Now 40 into 25 into 15 by 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.25. You just look at the board how to do this division. This is very important. You just put remove the decimal, you put here 0. You remove the decimal, put here double 0. You remove the decimal and put here double 0. Okay, now the sum become like this. 400 into 2500 into 1500 by 15 into 125 into 25 also. 25 and here also cut 100, and then you just do the 15 you just cut here 15 and here 100, and then 125 and 1000. 125 into 4 and most probably be 1000. 125 into 4, just you do here 125 into 4, this here 2, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, you are 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, not 4. This is 125 into 8. 125 into 8 also 1000. Okay, 5 8s and 8 to the 16, 16, 17, 19, 20, and 2, yes, it was 1000. Yes, 125, the number is become like this, 00 and 00 here also, and this is 125. 125 8s are 1000, and you put here 0 also. Okay, now you just calculate 4 8s are 32, and you just put 000. The how many crates are there? There are 32,000 crates is in the maximum number of wooden crates in each measuring this that can be stored in the godown. The maximum number of wooden crates be 32,000. Okay. Now I discuss the last sum for today. This is a solid cube of side is 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the size of new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. Okay, between their surface area. First you find the volume of the 8 cubes. Okay, first that's why you just first to find the volume of a solid is 12 into 12 into 12 centimeter cube. You just cut this solid into 8 cubes. Okay. Now the volume of each small cube. This is 12 into 12 into 12 by is, that is you just cut into 8 cubes. Okay, this is equal volume, and what will be the then you just cut it into then 8 4 2s are 4 3s are, then 2 6s are. This is 3 2s are 3 2s 6 3s are 18 18 and 12s are 18 and 12s are this one. You just keep it here like this. Then 8 cube volume is like this. Okay. Now a solid of cube is has been cut in 8 cube of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Okay. This is the volume of each cube. Then I just find the side of the new cube. Then the side of the new cube, the side of each small cube is, this is 12 centimeter cube, and just you find this is the side, this cube root of this one, the side of this cube. Okay, now cube root of this, 9 2s are 18 and 6 2s are, each side of the small cube each side is, this is the unit of centimeter, this is also with the centimeter. You just take out cube root, this one is cube root also. Yes, this is a 9 2 3s are 6 and 2 also. Okay, now 3 2s you take 1 3 and 2 2s you take 1 2. This is 6 centimeter. Now each small cube side be 6 centimeter. Now I find, what is find? Cube also find the ratio between their surface areas. Okay, I write here also the surface area of big cube is to surface area of small cube. This is the answer, the question 1. This the surface area of big cube. The surface area of big cube be 6a square is to this one surface area of small cube be 6a1 square. Okay, now 6 also be cancelled. Then a square. The each side of the solid is 12 centimeter. 12 into 12 here is to a. The small is 6. 6 into 6. Then you just cut here also 2 and you cut here also 2. Then the answer become 4:1. The ratio is this and the side is this. This is the answer of this sum. Okay. Okay, now this is very important sum. That's why I discuss this sum again. This is the volume of a solid. The side is 12. Then the volume is 12 into 12 centimeter cube. Understood? Okay. Now the volume of each small cube. The cube you cut into 2 equal pieces. Then you just divided this volume by 8. Then you get this one 18 into 12 centimeter cube. This is the volume of small cube. Now the side of each small cube. This is the cube root of this one. The side of the each cube be cube root of this volume. Okay. Now I said now a cube is volume. Then when you find the side, just you do the cube root. Understood? Now this is the cube root. You just break this like this. 18 you break 9 2s are, 12 you break 6 2s are. Then 9 is 3 3s are, 2 is remain, 6 is 2 3s are, and 2 is remain. You just take from 3 3s, you take 1 2. And you take 3 2s, you take 1 2. Then you just multiply 6. This is the side of each small cube. Understood? Now the question be, find the ratios. Okay. Now the question be the ratio between the surface area of 2 cube. The surface area of big cube be, all of you know the surface area is 6 square. I put here 6 square. A be the side of the bigger cube. and the surface area of small cube be 6a1 square. A1 be the side of the small cube. Okay. Now you put side is 12. 12 into 6, 6 cancel here, and 12 into 12, and A1 side is 6, 6 into 6, and just to cut it down, and the answer become 4:1. That's all for today. But you remember one thing, you go to the next portion of the video, just pause the video and write all these things which I am writing, and now you collect all the sums from any book under these formulas: cube and cuboid, surface area and the volume. You collect all sums and practice in your home. This is for you also. I just discussed 9th standard. That's all for today. Now, if you like my video, please press the like button and share it, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all for today. Thank you very much.